I have like my own data chart. No, personal's like yours, but if you have or like people's or whatever, but if you go into government, oh no, you're like fucked up and you get in big trouble. I don't do that. I'm not one of them bad people. I'm just a person that helps people with stuff. Like if the class, I probably got this all wrong. Whatever. I'm just using what I know. What some IPs that I use, or some things that I use. There's a thing called when you on 6-digit numbers, 6-digit. They're private. Well, it could be. Yeah, it's public probably. Like people could use public like routers that are using there's different routers. There's ones that are for VPN, like is used for home or private companies that you use that have passwords. But if you use one that doesn't have a password, that's public. So yeah, that's what I would say. Probably a class. If it's private, it'd be a class C or a class A. I use something different. I just use words. I don't use like words that getting confused. I don't use like references. I use like the official words that I'm reading off the web page that I use to mod. That's all. I read. I find out the stuff. I just read it, and before I download stuff, I read it. I don't just download stuff and then be like a greedy person and say, "Oh, let's use this." I actually read before I actually do it. So yeah, it's called a scripter. A scripter is something that you use to enable hacks. Dude, you're confusing me way out of the hell. I don't know, but hold up, give me a second. It's lagging for me. I'm still here. Oh. Hold up. I was trying to do something. Don't break that. That's mine. That's mine. Dude, that's mine. Don't break it. Dude, my friend, yeah, I could hear you. I know what you. Okay, I got what you mean. Someone calls you a script kitty. I know. Now I'm getting what you. I thought you said script titty. I was like, what the fuck? All right. So, you mean like a person that's an unkilled program or something like that? Are you asking me for until or something like that? It's like no, I'm talking about. You said what if somebody calls you script kitty? It's an unkilled individual who uses scripts or programs to develop to attack computer systems and networks or deface websites. I know what that is. No, I'm not one of them bad people. I told you. The only thing I do is the only thing I do is help people with their stuff. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's what I said. I do that for the fun sometimes. I know people do it also. I know people. It's a hack menu. You said you done hacks too, but it's a hack menu. I know it is a script kitty. I know, boy. I know it is a script kitty. I don't hack game. I said I only use hack menus. That doesn't hacking games is like taking over. I don't do that. That's oh yeah, true. Oh true. It doesn't explode. It doesn't do that. Oh yeah, it's more mod. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's more modding, but the only thing, yes, I do. I did tell you that I do that on my off time, but and I meant by helping people like when I'm on other games that I feel like some people like when they're young they feel like oh yeah doing GTA 5 mods it's way bad to do, but I don't do that. The only people I download the stuff from people. That's why I said I don't know how to do script writing and stuff or like making scripts. I do. I said you just confused me. You said I am, dude. I said I make my own like pretty much vehicles from games to mod for like people like to use LCPDFR, GTA 4. I know people like to use that, but I don't make that. I didn't make that mod LCPDFR. That's a script pretty much. I make stuff that is like that goes with that. Like if they want to put in police cars or EMS or vehicles that are for it's add-ons. I should say add-ons. That's what I do, is making add-ons, pretty much. Yeah, I make game. I do make games. I make just regular war games off of apps. The game I'm it's kind of like Clash of Clans, but it's called like War. It's called War Thunder. War Thunder is. I'm pretty sure there's another game that's called that, but I'm making just a separate one. It's like a game like this, but it's not. You don't create it. It's just a regular Clash of Clan thing too. So it's kind of like Clash of Clans, but it's just an app. I'm not those big developers. I did say I'm a developer doing stuff or like games. It's about like the night age and stuff, like where you can create your own town. You can put knights in there. I said it's like Clash of Clans pretty much, and you could set attacks on people. You can own your own base. It's like pretty much it's like a god, a goddess, or something like that. That other game. It's pretty much like Clash of Clans. People know that. It's just pretty much like Clash of Clans. A regular game that it's made off of Unity. I bought Unity Premium, so this is usually making apps and getting money off of making the apps and developing them. I just get Steam cards for making the app, so people just get me Steam cards for that. Well, not get me that. They just get it for my what is it called? They get it for my credit. That's my. I only know the only thing I know how to do is just make the cards and then just hand it off to one of the not make the I mean make the game, develop the game, and just make the stuff, and then let the people do the processing of it. Like process it in. I think I think I do know the back, and I haven't done it. I haven't. It's on hold. My game is on hold right now because I'm playing. You see, I'm playing this game. I can't do multiple. I'm doing a lot of stuff too. I'm also on my. Dude, I just turned 15. I just turned 15. Dude, I'm not giving out my birth information, whatever. But I'm not. I started school late, dude. I started school late, like that's why I'm trying to tell you. Well, what's so funny about that? I'm like freaking 14. I know, god damn it, you're confusing me. Okay, I just said I was 14. I can't even talk. Holy shit, I just said, you just asked me random shit. I'm just saying I was like 14 last year, so I turned 15 this year in July, so yeah. I was like 14. They make a lot of money. No. I don't want to become a doctor. Probably, I don't know. I'm looking and doing police. So I don't want to do that anymore. I'm pretty sure everybody wanted to be that when they're young, but I like doing game development. I'm still trying to take classes of animation and stuff. I do anime classes. In 8th grade, I did that. That's my first time I did it. That's why I'm learning a little bit. Still learning. I made like cartoon characters. I learned how to do that first. Then I learned how to do game development of characters, game characters like this. How you can muscle out your character. How you made your character tall and 6 feet. It looked like. That's what I was learning, how to do the details of characters. Game. Like, well, they're not like cartoon characters, but like based on real RPG characters, real life role play characters like police. You can make cops, whatever. Yeah, basic stuff. Well, that ain't. That's not mine. Oh, what was that? Yo. Yo, the oven went off. My mom was cooking. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Yes, Mom? Oh, never mind. Alright, wait, what? No, it's good. That's weird. Never mind. Dude, you're asking me too many questions. Well, I don't do like that. Fuck, I can't even say it. I only do a certain amount of game tutorials. I just told you. I don't do all the tutorials, like where where I only do the ones I'm good at doing, like SFX, which is flight, or FSX, that's what it is. Flight Simulator X. I can do that tutorial of how to do planes and build planes and do that. So that's one of the main ones. And X-Plane tutorial I do X-Plane tutorial stuff, and I'm pretty sure there's other people. I don't do computer technology stuff. I don't do those tutorials. HTTP. Wait, did you just say internet stuff like HTTP? Yeah, I use that for my SSD or whatever you said. RO. I'm just guessing that, but oh yeah. I'm going to collect. Yo, what up? Yo. Hey, you gonna be a part of my group? You're gonna help. This is only a level up server, so I don't know how you found the server, but yeah, it's a level up. Hey, but welcome to our server. Welcome to my server. Yo, hold up. I gotta tell you something. Hold up. Yo, come over here. You wanna drag him in the water? Or drag him in... I'm gonna do this for the fun. You got a video? You got a video of this? That's what I do to troll people. It's the only thing I will know how to do to troll people, so it's just to drag them in there. That made my day right there, trolling that guy. Alright. Back to work. We're on back to work. What's the question? Oh yeah, SAD or something like that. Oh, did you... Wait, you were on the other question. You were trying to tell me which one the answer was. The HDD. I'm just gonna... RAM. No, I say RAM. Yeah, true. You got a point. It's just when I'm angry, I have that speech shit. That slurred speech, you know, when people are angry, they want to cuss people out. Yeah. Now let's start building. Hey, wait, we can make... Yeah, I did. Oh, wait, that was Kitty something. ISP is like an internet service provider, I know that. It's like an organization like that you use to participate in the internet, like service providers that may be, it's like a sales thing pretty much. Like they sell you something for commercial, community owned, non-profit, otherwise provided, owned, or something like that. Like I know there's two of them. There's the ISPN. Yeah, there's the ISPN. That's why I told you I was thinking of other stuff, the ISPNs. I'm sorry, I got confused. I just got so confused. Yeah. Well, it's like I told you, when you join a server, it gives you a random IP, like a customized IP, like pretty much that's random, with random numbers, I should say. It's 20 to 30. I said 50, it was like a 15 to 17 on Arma, or no, 17 to 21 on Arma, 17 and 20 or whatever I said. And the other ones, I don't know about this one. It's probably like 17 to 30. Hold on. Wait, after this, could we build if I answer this question, if you want? Alright, I was talking about the different game that has different... Each game gives you different IPs, so if you play on a different game, I don't know all theirs. So that's the difference. Like, each game gives you different certain amount of numbers of IP, or of numbers to go to your IP. I said, like, like what I was saying was, like how you... I was talking about how the IP, what you just said, pretty much, I think. Dude, you ready to start building now and collect? What? I'm confused. You're telling me random stuff, that's why I'm confused. I'm probably gonna start up a new session just to refresh this. I don't know what's going on though. Why? I don't have Down syndrome, yo. That's rude to say.